The hard truth is, burnout is real. Burnout is a lot of us in many stages of our life where we are focusing on that success. We're focusing on more, and we're not really aware that we're on that cadence of really burning out. We lose alignment and we're not feeling connected along the way. We don't have the tools or the patience to communicate certain things because we're in this I'm busy phase. And when we're in that I'm busy phase, it continues to go on and on and on. And it's inevitable that burnout is just right around the corner. And if you haven't experienced the burnout, it's real. It puts us down for hours, days. We're wondering why we're not eating. We're wondering why we're feeling sluggish. We're not even realizing that we're not even hydrated. We're not sleeping well. We're working late hours. You may get off of work at 6, then you find yourself when the kids go to sleep that you're working 9 to 10, or you're waking up extra early, not to do your routine, but to work. And that work leads us into this not optimization mindset. It leads us into this bottomless pit of doing more because you want to have more. And a lot of us lose direction with this. I speak for myself. I have this habit and this knowing of a habit that for me it's about doing more. I'm not enough and I don't have enough. Well, this has always led me to a burnout. Even when I was running professionally, had to do more miles, I had to prepare, I had to run faster. Well, my body just couldn't take it at the time, so I learned the hard way. I'm sure all of us have learned some way or another the hard way. So we want to get out of that element and understanding that true success is about balance. It's about creating a plan, having that structure to create that direction and go and follow through that. Follow through with that, with the discipline and the intention of slowing down, pacing yourself, taking those breaks, taking those moments to step outside and get some sun. Ask yourself, are you hydrated? Did you eat lunch? A lot of people come in to me and say, I don't know why I'm crashing between 2 and 4. Well, simple couple questions I ask is, are you eating lunch? No, I was too busy. I had meetings back to back and I had to go drop my kid off at the dentist and do all these things. Well, you left yourself behind, and that is honestly going to continue happening until you honestly interrupt it. And when you interrupt it, you have this awareness of wanting to slow down. But a lot of us aren't going to want to slow down because we have that itch to get out there and do. So what we can do now is focus and have that awareness. Am I heading towards the burnout? Am I heading into that brick wall? And if you're driving towards a brick wall, you're going to stop. That's just a part of human nature. You're going to stop if you head into that brick wall. But if you're heading towards burnout, we don't want to hit that brick wall. We want to stop, we want to get out, we want to look around, we want to just ground our energy, and that is the state of being. And telling yourself that you are exactly where you're supposed to be and you have everything you need. And it's this effort, this little bit of effort to acknowledge that, yeah, you are busy and that's okay. But remember, we want to keep working on replacing busy with productivity. When we're productive in our days, we're really allowing ourselves to establish this sense of momentum. And the momentum takes us to places we've never been before because it's backed by that consistency. But when we're motivated and we're not motivated and we're highs and we're lows, it gets us really discombobulated and dysregulated. So I leave you here today with the opportunity to acknowledge, are you aware of where you're going and how you're getting there? Are you feeling productive versus feeling busy? Connect with yourself, stop, breathe, hydrate, look at yourself. You're doing great.